everyone. So yes, a lot of people fail to do this literally orally. Okay, you can actually do a lot of these questions orally. The reason for that is a trick which a lot of people don't know or nobody's taught them. Okay, so now understand one very important thing is see a% of b is equals to what? A upon 100 into b. Correct. So this is basically what? AB upon 100. Can I say this can also be written as what? BA upon 100, right? Multiplication law is commutative. So from here, I can also say this can be nothing but what? B% because B upon 100 of A. Both of them are equal to each other. Okay. So here, instead of just doing 4% of 75, we can also say it is nothing but what? 75% of 4. And as we all know, what is 75%? 75% is nothing but what? 75 upon 100. That is nothing but what? 3 by 4. Correct? Because they both go in 25 stable, 25 fours are and 3s are into 4. Correct? So that is cancelling. 4s are cancelling. Answer is just 3. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now please understand, let's say what is 2% of 50. Okay, if that is the case, let's write it as what? 50% of 2. 50% is nothing but what? Half into 2. Answer is 1. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to a lot of y'all. Okay, now let's say what is 13% of let's say 40. Okay, so now here this is quite interesting. Here see, you can obviously do 40% of 13. Yes, you can do, but I'm going to show you another trick over here. Let's do what is 1% of 40. 1% of 40 is what? 0.4. Correct. And how did I get that? See, it's nothing but what? 1 upon 100 into 40. So the zeros are cancelling. You're getting 0, sorry, 4 upon 10, that is 0.4. So 3% would be what? 1.2. And 10% of 40 is nothing but what? Just 4. So if you want 13%, you just add 10 and 3. So value of 1.2 plus 4, that gets you what? 5.2. So 13% of 40 is nothing but just 5.2. Yes, you can do it this way also. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now let's try and see what will be 17. No, let's not do 17. Let's do a bit higher number. Let's do 27% of 30. So please understand, 1% is what? 0.3. Okay, not 30. Let's do 300. Okay, so 1% of 300 would be what? Just 3. Okay, so 7% would be what? 21. And 10% would be what? 30. So 20% would be what? 60. In order to find 27%, you will add to 20 and 7. So 60 plus 21, that gets you what? 81 is your answer for this particular question. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Okay, another thing which a lot of people miss out, or like, see, understand, when you have to find 40% of, let's say, 20. So in that case, see, things can be done in your head as well. You can, what is 40%? 40 is nothing but 40% is nothing but what? 40 divided by 100 into 20. So see, when you have two zeros in your question, directly discard the zeros because this and this will cancel with these two. So you just have to multiply 4 and 2. So answer comes out to be 8. Okay, and if you want to check, you can check it this way. See, we were doing 40% of 20. 10% of 20 was what? 2. So 40% would be what? Just multiplying both sides by 2, both sides by 4. So answer would be 8. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. So let's very quickly do 30% of 150. So like I said, we'll cancel the 0. So 3 into 15, answer comes out to be 45. Let's do 60% of 750. So here also you just have to multiply what? 75 and 6. And that is nothing but what? 450. Okay, I hope this is getting to you. Okay, now let's say if we had to find 12.1% of 700. So again, what we would have done is, see, 1% is what? Just 7. Okay, so 0.1% would be what? 0.7. Okay, and 10% of 700 is nothing but what? It is 70. Correct. So and 2% would be what? Just 14. So in order to find the value of 12.1, we need to add 10, 2 and 0.7. Sorry, 0.1%. So answer comes out to be 70 plus 14 gets you 84 plus 0.7. That would be what? Just 0.7. That is your answer. So you saw how easily you could do this with your decimals also. So it's up to you. See, we did a lot of tricks today. See, when there are two zeros, you just have to cancel the zeros and multiply your answers. Okay, that is one way. Then another percent was what? A percent of B is equals to B percent of A. That is also something which a lot of people don't know. Okay, another thing was, see, if you had, let's say, for example, 13.3% of 800, in that case what you had to do, what you had to do was just split this 13.3 as nothing but what? 10, 3 and 0.3. So now 10% of 10% of 800 would be what? It would be just 880. Okay, so again, 1% would be 8, so 3% would be what? 24, and 0.3% would be what? 2.4. Add all of them, so you will get sorry, you will get 106.4 as your answer. Okay, I hope you are understanding how to solve these kind of questions. Okay, and now for your DIY, tell me what will be answer of 120% of 30. Please let me know the answers for this one in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.